Initially, I reached out for a leak that I had that was going into my garage. So I could give them a call. They came by, within the week. Response was pretty fast. They came out, looked at it, were able to identify the leak that I had in the garage. And on top of that, they also noticed that I had other damage from the previous storm that had passed. They did, so they really kind of let me know the scope from beginning to end. Go into detail to see what was wrong with my roof currently, why I was getting the leak, so on and so forth. So pretty much they were able to really explain things I didn't know, and they seemed pretty professional in regards to their scope of business and really professional overall. They helped me out through the whole process from beginning to end. They kind of step in and go a step further to really help you out, so that way you don't have to be involved in the technicalities, as you would say. I think they did a great job overall from just the results from the roof itself. I seen the previous to the post and how it was handled, and how I was able to see, they took care of everything to make sure that they didn't damage any of the exterior of the home. So, I'm pretty happy with how it all went, from how they initiated the whole process to how everything came out as far as quality. They still came by afterward, about a week when it was completed, to make sure that, everything was great, that it was still good. They were cleaning throughout the whole process and afterwards, so they did a really good job cleaning. The communication is above and beyond. So they give you a time, they do it, they show up on time, and their scheduling and everything was pretty above and beyond. So for anyone who's considering working with global exterior experts, I highly recommend it. They did a great job, phenomenal, above and beyond.